How to fix TikTok watch history option not showing. So if you want to fix TikTok watch history option not showing, then what you need to do is you need to open up your TikTok application at first. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and tap on settings and privacy. Now from here, you need to scroll down and then tap on the activity center. Inside your activity center, you should see an option of watch history. Tap on it and you will find your watch history. But if you're not being able to see the watch history option, then you need to go back and then again go back, scroll down, and you will have free up space. You need to tap on it and then go and clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go back and then check your watch history, and it might be visible right there. But if not, you need to just simply go back and then update your TikTok application. To update, you need to open up your Play Store and then go with search, and here you need to search for TikTok. Now, if you have any updates, just simply go and update it. After updating, you can restart your device or your TikTok, and you will have your watch history option. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.